Markers here and pencils there. Let's clean up with lots of care. Put things back where they belong. Cleaning up can be so fun. Clean it up, clean it up. Put things back and tidy up. Nice and neat, that's the way we get ready for the day. Books in place, crayons too. Everything is back like new. Take your time, do your best. Now you've got a clean desk. Pick things up one by one. Almost done, we're having fun. Look around, check again. Everything is in its place. Neat and clean, wow, look there. Nothing messy anywhere. We did it together today. Cleaning up the easy way. Wow! Your desk looks amazing!